Kumleshi po niya pi baro iba pa iki videos ke jongi bar nga pedang sumharo ya pi shakin ke channel ke jongi tech tutor meghalia balon rash pi de ke SCSTE hakani ka por nginya continue biang ke e bangila de last class but hakani ka por pan ngan batai ya pi ya kani relationships between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial so nginya pet mentan na benta lightly ki jat polynomial firstly nginya pet na benta ka linear polynomial. So number one ini pejak kata ke linear polynomial. Kumangila pe last class ngite bakini ya linear polynomial kide kita ki polynomial hak baka degree ke jongki kanong kumno degree equals to 1. So ngilas kin mau menta so ke standard form ke jongki kin 1 hak dor jong ax plus b. Dan ngila bentho p of x is equals to ax plus b. So penda pet hang ni menta ke degree ke day 1. So ngila song tho menta kanu teliki zeros nginyo tang away u zeros. So ke relationship ke day tang iway kata 0 of the polynomial lani pelaban ong 0 jong ke linear polynomial kan 1 bit kumno menta minus b by a. Utau 0 on 1 bit minus b by a lani pelaban tho a kani in terms of coefficients pen tho minus pen pe u b hani udu constant term and x hani pa o e pat hangni udu coefficient of x lani utau number u bahaswa jo x. For example ladangi shim yakaway kum p of y, in a case shim variable to y, p of y equals to 2y plus 3. Tingin na menta ke degree ke day 1, so ngila sang phone dan tang away 0. So fin yo 0 of p of x lani jong ka polynomial on 1 by kumno menta minus mano ba constant term menta pen mano ba dan variable so finish yo hani day 3 and then divide by coefficient of x that hakan nga case pan na mau variable udu y so coefficient of y in this case ude 2. So kumno pila ban yo kita ki zeros of the polynomial. So in a similar way nginya pet na benta ka quadratic polynomial but kumjuru ki cubic polynomial. So number 2 pinyo kini ki quadratic polynomial. Kumangila pe last class ke degree jong kini ki quadratic polynomial kolong 2 so pinyo kara teliki zeros arteli. So ke standard form ke jong ki kin 1 bit ha ke dur ax square plus bx plus c. So number baki dan kanu teli menta arteli ki zeros ngenyo arteli ki taki relationship apa deng jong kiro. So ning kong do ke relationship ke de sum of the zeros. Shubo mental ladang asyim dah kini ke polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and ang ba kita ki arteli kita ki zeros ki jongi ki day uwe udu alpha uwe udu beta ngi chu syam ya ki ba uwe ngin khat bo udu alpha uwe udu beta so how ba ang sum of the zeros kamut kumno menta kan 1 alpha how ba ang sum plus beta. Sum of the zeros. Nama hakan nga case nga shimba u alpha u beta ki kita ki zeros jong kanika quadratic polynomial. The relationship ke jong ki ke bening kong kolong kumni. Lada pi a de ki zeros ke jong ki pinyo minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x squared. Lada pi a de ki pinyo abad kat nomenta minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Kat kum kini ke standard form kamut kum nomenta lada nga adu alpha bo beta kamut sum jong ita ki zeros nginyo abad kat no minus coefficient of x u number u bahaswa jong x kata in this case udu b and coefficient of x square hakan ni case udu sebut lada pi a kita ki zeros pinyo ben hakata kadur minus b by tenang tadi ke relationship number 2 pun ke ayangi ye ke product of the zeros. Zeros is equals to. Pen menela dan lupa negatif, menta pimben kam syuk ban buak, so finyok kat no menta direct by constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Pen bahang ni menta ladang kidiki quadratic polynomial pedi ki denominator. Ki denominator kinde ben coefficient of x square, hakan di kesro coefficient of x square. Kumbang ilapet mana? Baladang isyam ya kita ki zeros bakin day alpha beta haba ang product kapag ngin multiply ki, so alpha into beta equals to kat kum kaniga standard form constant term udah c and coefficient of x square day mano du. So nginyo ikini kita ki relationship 1 kaniga ni r kaniga ni. But how can you go on in a pet example and come in your relationship room? How can you go on in a pet example? Jong a quadratic polynomial. So, firstly, in a pet kumno, in a watch ki zeros ki jonki, and after that, in a pet but kumno in verify yaki. So, play your menta in case. Ladangi kwa ashaban wadi ki zeros in a kumno for the zeros of p of x. So lada fi kwa igi zeros dong p of x pinyo kumno p of x ni de banyo ka value 0. So this implies mano bade p of x akan ka case the 2x square minus 8x plus 6 equals to 0. Pindapat mentahannya dan light liquid terms so ngilaban pet dakabangi use daka splitting the middle term. So, firstly, kumno pin split the middle term. Uni, one ration is 2x square. The uni negative or minus, bo hang near, e space kandian, the thought you knew, plus 6 shate shilling. So, pin your hang near 2x square, unu minus nang near 1, then nang tadeo plus 6 pin shate. Tingin niya pet mentau whether ngi de ban siya make a sum nak a difference ke jongke. Minus into kat no ban long plus, ngi tiba minus into minus long plus. So namar ba ki signs ki long kumjo sungin ha ban siya make a sum ke jongke. Da ka ba ngi pet ye kini dena road. Fina pet hang ni mentang coefficient of x square de 2, constant term ni de 6. So ngi last product kan mi kan no 2 into 6 long 12. And amar ki sum ki signs ki long kumjo ngin haban siya maka sum kan penmi do ni banapding, so sum equals to penda pe ha kini case ngin haban wat artali kita ki number hakbala dangi multiplying in your 12 and ladangi sum ya king in your 8 tingila ate menta kadai kumno kita ki artli number ki dei u 6 but u 2 number 6 into 2 long 12 6 plus 2 but long 8. Sunginya tho kumno hangi menta tin mau yu ba he pin tho nang ni namaru he o 6 yu 2 so fin tho 6x and hangi fin tho 2x. So fin da pet ha kiniga case pinyo kumno menta shim common x nakini artali nama 100x square 100x shim show x the 102 but 106 so shim common o 2 so the rest pin bo apo bracket. U2 plus say shabar, uway x plus say shabar, so sa astang way, and then finyo minus hangin, ux uway la say shabar, then ang tadi, u2 plus say shabar, so sa 3. In a similar way, ro hakani case ro pinship, uway sign badan hangin, pinshim duta, so minus, hangin dan 2x, but hangin dan 6, so shim common do 2, and the rest pinbo apo brackets, hangin, plus say minus shabar, so ngilas to minus into plus long minus, and then u2 plus say shabar, so sa long x, the hang pan. Minus into kanno long plus, so minus into minus, 2 into 3, long 6, so pinya kunj. Pendapet hakini ki artali mata, dan unuwe term, but dan uwe unu term. Then nang tadi, hang ni ubalong common udu x minus 3, but kumjur hang ni x minus 3, so shim common yaki. X minus 3. So, namar plus shim unia common. Basa undi stang unia but unia. So, finyo ka naman ta 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, ngina thought hang ni shilya either x minus 3 equals to 0 or 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 3 and this implies fin thought 2x ra onish de shilya nu minus and skala plus so 2. Therefore, x is equals to 1. Number of 2 divided by 2 which is 1. So, ngina verify kin menta kum no ngin lab. Ning kong do ka verification kong kum no sum of the zeros. Hakani ke case kini artali ki kita ki zeros ki jongi. Ka verification ka baning kong relationship ka de sum of the zeros. So hakani ke case kini artali. So finyo ka no menta 3 plus 1 equals to. So nginya pa menta kum no ngin verify. So hakani ke case pan ka de ka no menta 8 and 102. Pat ke ngin manipulate menta. Yo 4 ngala ro ban thokum no 4 la ban thokum 8 divided by 2 so which is equals to ban panwan ne to minus into minus 8 divided by 2 nomor pet hang minus to minus is plus 8 divided by 2 long 4 so kini baru kahit kilang equivalent ya ibe so finyo ha kini case minus pet hang minus 8 udu 8 coefficient of x but 2 but udu coefficient of x square. The next menta relationship number 2 pinyo ka menta product of the zeros. Haba ang product kabamut yan haban multiply ki 3 into 1 long 3 and you 3 pat nga laban thokum no menta 6 divided by 2 which is equals to 6 divided by 2 pinapet you 6 menta udu constant term and 2 pa udu coefficient of x square. So kum kani kurukam philaban verify kita ki relationship happening jong kini ki zeros of the polynomial but kini ki coefficients of the polynomial. But kani ka por ngilang po ka bakon jong kani ka video but ngin sampai teng pat ka video pan na benta cubic polynomial. God bless you.